Hello everyone, this is Naima Sadek and this is my submission for the session 1's activity loan interest calculator. Here I have taken a sprite. I've uploaded a sprite I've taken the pictures from the internet. Then over here I'm defining a function, that's interest calculator, which is initializing three variables: principal, rate and time. Further, I've initialized another variable, that's amount, which will be storing the interest amount, which will be obtained through this formula. Here we are returning the amount. Further, we are basically taking the input from the user for principal amount, interest rate and time. So likewise, we'll be asking the user to insert the principal amount, which will be stored in principal variable, and as it's a number, we're using here float, so that the program is aware that it's a number and accurately the calculation can be done. Likewise, interest rate will be taken from the user, stored in the rate variable. Time will be stored in the time variable. Further, the interest rate will be calculated, the loan interest will be calculated, and then that will be displayed through this statement. And here, as we are taking an input as float, so it needs to be converted into a string, so that it needs to be converted into a string to be displayed by the sprite. So here you can str, it's stating that we are converting this float into a string, and here it's calling the function. So as we are returning the amount over here, so it will be displaying the calculated amount, that is stored in the amount variable. So I will execute this program and show. So here we need to enter the principal amount. I'm entering 20,000. Now the interest rate, I'll be entering 9. Then time, 5 years. Now after calculation, it is displaying the interest amount, that is 29,000. I hope my explanation was clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.